Open source contribution. Working with public projects. What is open source? Open source equals project whose code is public and free to use. Anyone can view code, use code, improve code. Examples: Linux, React, Spring Boot, Node, JS. Why? Learn from real projects and real developers. Finding a project. You can find open source projects on GitHub. Look for beginner-friendly projects. Good first issue. Active repositories. Why? Easier to start and get accepted. Forking a repository. Fork equals your own copy of someone else's project. Example: original repo means forked repo. Your account. Why? Lets you work without changing the original project. Cloning the fork. Clone your fork to your computer. Example: Git clone less than your fork URL greater than. Why? Work on the project locally. Making changes. Steps: create a new branch. Fix bug or add feature. Commit changes. Why? Keeps your work separate from main code. Creating a pull request. PR. PR equals request to add your changes to original project. Steps: push your branch. Open pull request. Describe your change. Why? Project owner reviews your work. Code review and updates. Maintainer may ask for changes. Suggest improvements. Approve your code. Why? Improves your coding skills. Merging contribution. If approved, your PR is merged. Your code becomes part of project. Why? You become an open source contributor party popper. In simple words, open source equals public code. Fork equals your copy. PR equals request to add your work. Review equals check your code. Merge equals accept your change. Find project means fork means change code means PR means get merged.